Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm down at the Menominee Marina, Menominee, Michigan. Doing a little bit of cleanup in the marina here. Can't wait to see what we'll find. I think we'll find a lot of trash, maybe some buckets, whatever. We'll see. Hope you enjoy it. Big fish down there, wow! Getting low in air. And head back. Well, that concludes today's night. Didn't get too much garbage. Got a little bit though. We saw some big fish, some big smallmouth bass. I think there's a salmon in there too, and a carp. Pretty cool. Alright guys, here we are today at the Menominee Marina again. Got Kyle with me today. Down there, we're gonna come over here, clean up the area over here. One guy caught up with us and already asked us to find the cell phone. We dropped last year, so it's most likely not gonna work. We're gonna try to find it. Yeah. Down. Taking a little break, saving some of my air, waiting for Kyle. Feels good, taking a nap in the sun. I was dragging that for half the way.
I thought a hat, that's all I thought.
Yeah. Alright guys, got done with the dive. I want to show you guys what we all got.
Awesome thing.
Awesome. Found another diver's dive flag. Found someone's belt. Found a bunch of aluminum cans. Found a nice little pouch here I could haul some garbage in because I forgot mine today. Little scrub brush here, a lot of plastic. This crazy looking berry here looks like some kind of phone holder or something, kind of scary. You got a hat? What does M stand for? Huh, that does, yeah, no. Got some tongs here. Got a couple lures today, that was cool. These cool shades. A nice river drink for my collection at home. Some more random stuff. Got a glass cup here that says wine on the water. Bike seat, a metal cup. And we got a Tommy Hilfiger towel here. And a for sale sign. Garbage can, little mini garbage can tape measure. Little placemat that says welcome aboard. Some sweatpants, a sheet, and this cool little basket over here. Might use that at home. Another scrub brush and a mini frisbee.
Don't forget the chair.
And also this chair over here. Would you sit in this chair? Nice little back scratchers on there.